of the Marcos government, allowing the continuation of its probe into drug war-related killings in the country.
The majority rejects the fourth ground of appeal in its entirety.
3 out of 5 judges reject the appeal, saying the challenge by the Philippine government has unclear details.
Marcos government nag-aapila sa ICC na habulin si Duterte. Para saan? Matapos nyong halos imurin yung puwet ni Duterte at ligaw-ligawan yung anak niyang kumandidato kasama nyo, Bongbong. Ganyan ang tingnan nyo ha, mismong ICC na mga EPA na gustong kanain si Duterte, nireject ang inyong apila na pumasok sila rito kasi you have unclear plans. Siguro, natauhan din itong mga nagka-utak